up, YouTube? Hi, guys. So I'm back again. It's your girl Cookie. I am cooking, chefing up, good looking, all that stuff. Today I'm gonna make something fun that we actually saw at the Tampa State Fair. And boy, I said when I get home, I'm making this thing. So we have, I didn't know what pasta they use, but I bought rigatoni. Yeah, rigatoni. Hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, they're like these oblong ones. I bought the Great Value one because hopefully they swell up really big. Sometimes I find that Great Value swells. And of course we got some Skewer Sticks. And I got my favorite, you guys know I like Italian style cheese. And I got some grated Parmesan. And oh, I almost forgot, very important, very importante. Thank you, Pantry. Some meat Prego. All right, so we're going to first, I got a boiling hot pot of some water where I add some salt. I'm going to let the noodles boil, and then after the noodles are all boiled up, I am going to come back to you guys and show you how to assemble this fun little baked treat. All right, so we'll be back. All right, guys, so I boiled the noodles, and I boiled them long so that they can get really, really fluffy and nice. As you can kind of see, let me bring you guys a little closer. There you go. So right now, I just rinsed them with some cold water so I can handle them better. And what you're gonna do is I rip some of the skewers out of the bag. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick them onto the skewer. Like if you were making like, you know, shish kebabs at a barbecue night. It's just like really funny, really cute. I'm not gonna bore you guys as always with making 101, but I'm going to show you how to make one whole one, all right? So you just slide them on. You gotta leave some on the bottom, some up top.
Oh my God, that's too much.
Right now we have a tutoring session going on in my kitchen, so don't worry about that, you guys. But yeah.
All right, so I got the lesson set up. So we're still on poems, but today we got a new, y'all remember last time we did similes?
And repeat.
Yup.
All right, y'all, so we got all the skewers lined up. I'm gonna make some more, but I'm going to start with these. So you get your Prego, and just like almost like when you're making like chicken parm, you're gonna rub the Prego on the top.
You wrote it already? All right, go.
All right, just like this. Just like this, okay? You get the gist.
Keep, that's almost the same word.
Okay, in the oven. I'm gonna make some more, you guys, but this is our first finished one. 400 degrees.
Just like you, but I can see the truth. You work your fat to die, but you got your fat to die. Just fat to die, you work your fat to die. Fat to die, you work your fat to die. Fat to die.
All right, so today's been a trying day of tutor session, but I'm done my skewer. Isn't it cute?
You know my name, it's Heather.
Don't you love it,
So
guys?
for homework, why don't you write a tongue twister about me? Let me spell it for you. H-E-A-T-H-E-R.
It's really good. I'm gonna, next time I make this,
I don't know, you're touching your nose.
I'm gonna put it with some meat
Your nose!
or some chicken.
I don't know.
They're crazy. But you guys know what to do.
Banana?
Like, comment, and subscribe. Come back to the channel. Come back to the kitchen so we can make more fun things like this.
No, you gotta use H words.
Valentine.
Oh.
Thumbnail.
Oh, that's funny.
I be doing too much. doing too much, guys. Anyway, coming to the kitchen so we can get cooking. Good looking. Bye.
Damn, girl, I like how you dance. Shit, you look so good shaking those hips. Get the ball and I'm scoring a little bitch.